Welcome to the cool and calming world of blue, where your plate reflects the tranquility of oceans and the vastness of the sky. This week, your meals will embrace the rare and magical hues of nature. More importantly, you'll be nourishing your throat chakra, Vishuddha, the center of communication, expression, and truth. Why blue? Blue is the color of calm, clarity, and self-expression. In the chakra system, blue aligns with the throat chakra, located at the base of the throat. This chakra governs your ability to communicate effectively and speak your truth. Eating blue foods can help enhance self-expression and foster inner peace, making it a perfect color for self-reflection and meaningful conversations. Remember to subscribe to follow FauZia, where rare and offbeat foods are always on the list. Rules of the game. 1. Stick to blue foods. If it's not blue, it's not in your bowl. 2. Natural only. Say no to artificially dyed blue candies. This isn't a Smurf party. 3. Get creative. Blue might be a rare color in nature, but it's time to think outside the box. 4. Speak your truth. While nourishing your throat chakra, aim to align your words and actions with authenticity. What can you eat? Though blue foods are limited, they're uniquely delicious. Here's a guide to crafting a true blue menu. Breakfast. Blueberry oatmeal with a drizzle of honey. Set smoothie with blue spirulina, blueberries, and almond milk. Blue corn pancakes topped with blueberry compote. Lunch. Blue corn tortilla tacos with a blueberry salsa. A purple cabbage slaw. Okay, it's more bluish, but it counts. With a hint of lime. Blue potato salad with fresh dill. Dinner. Grilled fish or tofu with a side of roasted blue potatoes. A creamy blue spirulina soup with coconut milk. And blue sushi. Rice dyed with butterfly pea flower tea, paired with fresh veggies. Snacks and drinks. A handful of blueberries or black currants. Butterfly pea flower iced tea with a squeeze of lemon. Watch it turn purple. It's magic. Blue corn chips with guacamole. Challenges to watch, for let's be real, blue foods are hard to come by. By midweek, you might find yourself desperately Googling weird blue foods. But that's part of the fun. Embrace the challenge and let your throat chakra inspire you to voice your determination. The chakra connection. Blue foods nourish your throat chakra, helping you express yourself with clarity and confidence. Listen actively and understand others. Then strengthen your connection to your inner truth. When your throat chakra is balanced, you communicate effectively and align your words with your actions. A week of blue foods might just bring the clarity you've been craving. What's your blue creation? Now it's your turn to dream in blue. What's the wildest, most creative blue dish you can imagine? Could you conquer a week of rare blue foods? Share your ideas. Let's make this challenge as unique as the color itself. Next up, black, the color of mystery, power, and the root chakra's darker depths. Ready to dive in?